Welcome to Triple Moon. I am Sabrina. Today we will be discussing the importance of proper breathing, and we will perform a wonderful breathing exercise. Breathing is so vital. This is commonly known, but our breath is often overlooked in discussions about health. Our breath has the power to change the body's state. By connecting with our breath, we are able to activate our parasympathetic nervous system. This system will slow our heart rate, lower our blood pressure, and improve our digestion. In yoga, breathing exercises are known as pranayama. In Sanskrit, prana means vital life force, and yama means to gain control. Mindful breathing gives us an anchor to direct our focus. When we observe our breath, we are able to disconnect from our constant stream of thoughts. This can help our ability to regulate emotions and improve our mental clarity. Think about a time when you felt anxious. Your breathing was probably fast-paced and shallow. Now, think about a time when you're relaxed. When you sleep, for example. Your breaths are long and slow. Take a moment to observe your breath without trying to change it. Notice how deeply you are breathing, as well as the speed of your breath. Now, improve your posture and inhale deeply. Expand through your rib cage and stomach. Exhale fully but without force. Notice how this breathing is different from your first observation. Today we will be learning Bhastrika Pranayama, also known as bellows breath. This is a cleansing breath that refreshes both the body and the mind. Those who practice this breath will stimulate their digestive system and boost their metabolism. Try this exercise at the beginning of your day or to increase your energy in preparation for a workout. This breathing exercise should not be attempted by those who are pregnant, have epilepsy, or experience panic attacks. Ensure that you do not practice this breath with a full stomach. Allow your food to settle for at least 2 hours before performing this breath. Begin sitting in a comfortable position with a tall spine. Step 1. Fold your arms with your hands near your shoulders. Make your hands into fists with your palms facing out. Inhale deeply, reaching your arms up and opening your hands. As you perform this step, imagine as though you're grabbing something invisible above you. Step 2. Exhale forcefully through your nose. As you do, draw your belly button towards your spine. Lower your arms, returning to step 1. Repeat this breath and movement with a fast pace. It is recommended that you perform this breath about 2 to 3 breaths per second. Now that you understand the mechanics of this breath, we'll perform 4 rounds, with each round lasting for about 30 seconds. We will take a 30-second break between rounds. Let's prepare for our first round of Bhastrika Pranayama. Great job. Let's take some deep breaths as we prepare for round 2. Wonderful. Take some nice deep breaths as we prepare for round 3. Great job. Let's perform our final round of this breath exercise. Return to a normal breathing pattern. Take a moment to evaluate how you feel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this breathing exercise. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Namaste.